Hello and welcome to Brandy's Poetry Corner. The last two poems for this week are both from the Puffin Book of Classic Verse, I Know My Level. This is by one of Rob's favourite poets, best known for his novels, I think, but a great poet. It's by D.H. Lawrence. This shows he had an extraordinary imagination, and it's called Hummingbird. Hummingbird by D.H. Lawrence. I can imagine, in some other world, primeval dumb, far back, in that most awful stillness that only gasped and hummed, hummingbirds raced down the avenues. Before anything had a soul, while life was a heave of matter, half inanimate, this little bit chipped off in brilliance and went whizzing through the slow, vast, succulent stems. I believe there were no flowers then, in the world where the hummingbird flashed ahead of creation. I believe he pierced the slow vegetable veins with his long beak. Probably he was big, as mosses and little lizards, they say, were once big. Probably he was a jabbing, terrifying monster. We look at him through the wrong end of the long telescope of time. Luckily for us. That's an entirely different view of hummingbirds. For more poetry, read by me, look at Brandy's Poetry Corner on YouTube. Thank you.